Hey everybody, working on a 2014 Chevy Silverado. I need to replace the heater core on this, and I got lucky because I didn't have to take the dash apart. As you can see, it's complete. Everything is complete. All you have to do is remove bolt number 10 here, another one here, another one over there, yeah, it's over there, and another one in the corner. And then it has another hole here for a bolt number 13 that goes here. It was a little bit hard, but I'm gonna cut this right here now. Cut this one, and then it's gonna be easy to put the bolt back together, because it was hard for me to take it off because of this. Same thing you had to do on the other side. It has another one right over there, and on this side has two. One on this hole and one on this hole. So two bolts, number 10, and then remove the bolts on the side. Let me show you on the other side. As you can see, I got plenty of room to work here. So remove these two bolts, number 13 from here, and two on the other side. And this is the I think this is the no, let's see, oh yeah, the number 13, it just have two over there. Yeah, on this side just have the number 10 on the top, and then you have to remove the plugs on the BCM computer, and then those two plugs on this junction. Remove the bolt on the steering column, because it comes out together. See, the other part stays over there. Remove the plug over there. Remove the sensor, this sensor in the middle. Remove the antennas. Right here has the antennas. So just put it here. It goes right on this sensor. And remove the plug from this fuse box, and just leave it over there. And then when you are ready to get it out, you have to remove these ground wires, because you cannot do it when the dash is on, because you won't have a space. You have to open it and remove it on both sides. So yeah, right now I need to remove the bolts on the unit. Yeah, I already removed the battery. It has one bolt over there, number 10, one nut over there, number 10. There's two more here, number 10, and you have to drain the freon to take the lines, AC lines. It has two more screws, two bolts, number 10 over there, and there's another one down there. Then the one I'm gonna have to fight with it without taking the intake out. But I think if I use the swivel extension, I'm gonna be able to reach it and you have to remove the hoses on the heater core, and that's all you need to do. So let me take those screws out and I'll be right back. Oh, it's hard to get this out. Some of them, they have like something just to push it and pull it, but that one, it has a clip inside. It's hard to get it out, but thank God I was trying to do it with this. This is too long and too thick. So I got this other one, and this is better. It's supposed to be for the AC line. Let's see, that one, it's a little bit better. So get you one of these if you have the same hose to remove those hoses from the heater core. Alright, be right back. Okay, I already changed the heater core. Put the new one on. Sorry if I didn't show you how I did it, but I just want to tell you how to take this bolt out. So I use this little ratchet and this little number 10. I just cut piece of paper like this, put it on the socket, put the bolt on, and I just brought it over there, and man, it was hard to take it off and then put it on again. So I used this, and I tried to use my two hands, so one to turn the ratchet and one to turn the socket, and it works. But yeah, it's not difficult. You can do it. Otherwise, you need to remove the intake, and it's gonna be a lot of trouble. So just wanted to show you that. Now I just need to put it back together. As you can see, I just need to slide it, and I just cut this right here because it was hard to put the socket straight right here because that thing was on the way. So I just cut it, and see, you don't have to take anything else out. The shifter cable is still on it. It has a lot of room to come out, and the hood cable is still over there. So now I just need to put it back together. Let me go get somebody to help me because you cannot do it by yourself. You gotta have help. So if you have to do this job, don't worry, it's not too hard, but you're gonna need help. So I hope this video helped you, and if you're new in this channel, just consider subscribing, and thank you for watching the video. God bless you.